Friday, August 12th. You know, it seems weird that the whole financial world would slow down at the high moment of summer, which is really this week, just before back to school, but it does. I mean, you'd think businesses are still open, stocks are still trading, bonds are still trading, everything that was in trouble still is, and everything that isn't in trouble isn't. But it really does slow down, and so slow we have been. Rates fell to an all-time low almost 3 weeks ago. We bounced back up just a little bit. We have stayed in a range for the 10-year Treasury note of just 0.1% since then. Just which is amazing, sitting here at an all-time low. Maybe everybody is a little preoccupied by watching the election here, which is quite the show, partly, but markets should be doing whatever they're doing. Europe takes a vacation in August. I mean, especially France, Germany, the place just shuts down in August. So the things that are pending in Europe, which looks like a nifty new banking crisis any minute, is all off screen because Europe is just, it's out. It's at the beach. It's gone. The stuff that's happening here, we get one piece of economic data that's strong that makes us think, well, maybe the Fed will try another quarter point this fall. And then today we got some data that's just as soft as it can be that says, no, probably not. Might not hear a thing from them for the rest of this year or even into next year. The big stuff that's going on is overseas. China, Japan, and emerging nations are all in the same fixes and pickles that they've been in. Here, on the column next to this video, we have an unusual resource in understanding what's happening to us. Ben Bernanke, the prior Fed chair, now moonlights at the Brookings Institute, and it's an open access. I mean, just Google Brookings and Bernanke, and up he'll come. And Bernanke has been posting a blog at irregular intervals. Sometimes there'll be a spurt of them, 2 or 3 of them in a month, and then nothing for a while, and then a new one. And he's posted one this week, yesterday I believe, which went on at some length about what the Fed's up to and the economy is up to. And to his great credit, he confessed considerable forecasting error for quite some time at the Fed. It's hard for the Fed to do that. I mean, if the Fed says, gee whiz, guys, we've been making a mistake, the jackdaws out there immediately say, well, why are we to trust anything that you have to say? But Bernanke said some interesting things, and I've quoted the excerpt in the column next to mine, but it's just as quiet as it could be. Enjoy high summer. See you next week.